Dalagang Pilip. Sige nga, sample guys ng Dalagang Pilipina pose. Panis. Magagano kayo kaya? Ayun, at yung ikaw. Look at that. Tingnan nyo. Zoom in nyo guys. Sige nga. The rays of the sun.
Pang Catriona.
Exactly, Catriona. Next.
Silipin ko. Ako po si Aya Retiro from Engineering Department. Feeling ko lang po is bagay po sa akin yung pastel color. So I chose pink.
Oh yes, definitely. Pastel color. Next.
Good evening everyone. I am Casey Camacho from GTech Solutions. So ang inspiration ko po is as modern Filipina and light in the darkness.
Ay, wow. May pa-post na kami, papa. Alright, next. Okay, picture mo na, picture. Back. Yung huling-huling.
Good evening everyone. I'm Rose de los Reyes from GTech Solutions. Ang inspiration ko ng suot ko is the braveness and modesty of a modern Filipina. In a world full of Maria Clara, Gabriela Silang.
Very strong, very strong. Ayan. Tsaka may mga fans ka doon, no? Alright, next.
Hi, I'm Gloria Villalobos, training officer from Icatec Admin. Ang inspiration ko for today ay wala. Kasi ito lang yung kasya dun sa rental. Kaya kinuha ko siya.
Sige, tagapin ka na yan. Okay, ikaw na. Alright, next up.
My name is Jo from Icatec Accounting Staff. My inspiration is ethnic and then modern. May paslit.
Ayan, may pa-legs. Wait lang. Up next, we have...
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jason, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, your Binibining Jason. And my Filipino gown was once worn by the Binibining Marcelo Green of Parañaque. So this Filipino gown inspired all the Binibining Parañaque. And Parañaque is green. And I thank you.
Isang pose naman din dyan. Jaysana
Binibining Jason!
of Parañaque City. Yeah. And up next.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Precious Ira Claro from Perigent Residence po. So, yung inspiration ko po today, wala po. Kailangan na po talaga ng tao namin sa Perigent. So, mga boss, ma-sponsor naman po para makapag-Christmas party yung tao namin. Thank you.
And Abu Yura, thank you so much. And last but not the least, we have...
Okay, magandang gabi sa lahat. Thank you for that wonderful question. Okay, so, yung question is yung inspiration. Siyempre yung premyo, no? Kailangan analo. Okay, joke lang. So, ang inspiration ko, ako pala si Benedict A. Carpool. So, proud LGBT, pero yung nag-call ni Jewel. Okay. So, yung inspiration ko sa pagsusuot ng Filipiniana is para i-prove na hindi lang babae yung pwede magsuot nito, kundi kami din na LGBT fans. So, it's time naman na bigyan natin ng chance sa mga katulad namin LGBT na magsuot ng pambabaeng ganito. So, yun lang naman, sinushow lang yung no discrimination. Maraming salamat po. And I thank you.
Pero ang tanong, kaya mo pa prom